Look at my baby riding. Woo! There is Malik. And there he goes. Go, Malik, go. Look how fun. The birthday boy. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. So what's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. So it's my boy's birthday. I want you guys to tell my 13-year-old happy birthday. So we are in Dave and Buster for Jaden's birthday. We're gonna have a little fun and then we're gonna go have dinner. And that's it, go home and relax. Yeah, so we're just gonna chill, have some family time, and thank God my kids are not fussy. So yeah, we're here. We're gonna show you guys different games that they're playing, and yeah, stay along with us. I don't know what you're doing. Just let me finish this game and then we'll go play something else. I failed? Really? Wow. Oh, 90. Yeah. Wait. Jay, get 30 tickets. Where is it? Jay, they don't give tickets here? That's why. What is that? Tania, you're not playing? You don't know what? One strike, Jay. Woo! Wait, Nia, wait. ticket. So where is it?
321 tickets
Yeah, but where is it?
in my card now.
Oh, it goes on the card. Oh.
One. I'm not the place again.
Me, I got 90 over there then. So that means it went on her card.
Yeah.
I didn't know it went. I thought it could have come out there.
Alright, play again.
Guys, he wants to play again. Yeah? When they're done. They're done? They're not done. They're not done. They're going to play again. See, I told you they're not done. Jay, get 100. Woo, there you go. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, you don't even know how to play that. How do you play it? Guys, look what Nia wants to play. She don't even know she doesn't even know how to play the game. Here, go waste your money. Go. Jay, 32 tickets.
Because I didn't get the Grand Slam.
Where's your father? Give me the card. Is it over? See? You lose. Nia love herself some Subway Surfers. Let's see how far she can go, guys. She loves Subway Surfers. Ooh, good job. Oh, guys, look at my daughter. Oh! Yeah, you did. Oh, again? One more try, Nia. Oh! Happy birthday, dear Jaden. Happy birthday to you.
One.
Are you two? Are you three? Are you four?
Are you five? Are you
One birthday.
Did you? And this is our night ends. Happy birthday again, Jaden. Thank you guys for watching.
no for watching?
Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.